Koreans were shocked to hear that an antibiotic-resistant superbacteria is proliferating in hospitals in Korea.
Superbacteria are known to be one of the most dreadful pathogens since they are not affected by antibiotics. We know that pathogenic E. coli becomes more virulent during the summer months. We examine the responses of such pathogens when treated with phytoncide, an extract from pine trees. In order to examine the antibiotic properties of the pine tree, superbacteria and pathogenic E. coli were placed on a culture medium. Tape was placed on the culture medium containing the bacteria, and then the refined oil from the pine tree was added to one side, while purified water was placed on the other side for the control group. The medium was then incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, and then checked to see the results of application of the pine tree oil. The results were clear. The culture medium that had the refined pine tree oil applied to it displayed substantial destruction of the superbacteria, as well as the pathogenic E. coli.
Phytoncide, extracted from the pine tree, created about a 13 millimeter clear zone with suppression of bacterial growth in coliform bacilli. Here, E. coli, a common cause of food poisoning, thereby illustrating the outstanding antioxidation and antibacterial effects of pine tree oil, something that our ancestors were already aware of many centuries ago. In addition, the experiment illustrated that phytoncide extracted from pine trees contains substances that can treat various pathogens, including powerful germs and superbacteria that can run rampant in hospitals.
Terpenes such as phytoncide can markedly suppress the growth and development of Staphylococcus and coliform bacillus, which are frequently found in our daily lives, as well as salmonella, which is often a cause of food poisoning. These are images of various coliform bacillus that threaten our health, Staphylococcus that easily thrives in contaminated food, and salmonella, which often causes food poisoning. What happens when terpenes extracted from pine needles are applied to these pathogens? This is an image of a petri dish in which coliform bacillus has been cultivated. You can clearly see an area of transparency where the terpenes were applied, which shows where the oil has suppressed the growth and development of the pathogens. The same results of suppression of growth and development, as indicated by the transparent areas in the culture medium, were also obtained in petri dishes inoculated with Staphylococcus and salmonella, which are primary causes of food poisoning. Pine needle oil is one way we can eliminate harmful germs and pathogens that threaten our health.